Hello everybody. Today, we unpack and introduce Joystream. What is Joystream? Imagine a video platform where creators own their content, get paid fairly, and viewers have a say in how things run. That's Joystream. Joystream is like a special video world where you can watch cool videos and earn rewards. Unlike most big tech companies, it's not owned by one big company. Joystream is run by a friendly community. This is why it's awesome for everybody. Here are the reasons why Joystream is such an awesome creation. 1. Watch fun videos just like your favorite streaming site. But here, it's extra fun because it's like a community park where everyone can join. 2. Earn rewards. The cool part is you can earn rewards while watching. At Joystream, you get tokens for being part of the video watching gang. 3. Fair and open. Joystream uses the blockchain, which is like magical technology that is designed to make everything fair and open. There are no secrets at Joystream, everyone can see how things work. It's like a democracy, where everyone has a say. In a nutshell, Joystream is a video wonderland where you watch awesome videos, earn rewards, and it's all run by a friendly community. It's a win-win for everyone. Now, buckle up, here's how Joystream operates. 1. It's built on a blockchain, a super secure and transparent digital ledger, keeping track of everything that happens on the platform. 2. With Joystream, the creators are in charge. They decide how to make money from their videos, whether through subscriptions, one-time payments, or even selling them as NFTs, like digital collectibles. 3. The viewers too get a voice. They can earn rewards for watching ads, supporting creators, and even help decide what features get added to the platform. 4. No ads, no censorship. Joystream creators have more freedom to express themselves without worrying about being censored by big corporations. Here are the key bits and pieces that operate within the platform. 1. NFTs for videos. Creators can turn their videos into unique digital assets that can be bought, sold, or traded like art. 2. Decentralized applications. Developers can build cool new apps on top of Joystream, like decentralized video marketplaces or social networks. 3. Community-driven decisions using the decentralized autonomous organization DAO within Joystream. Inside the DAO, users have a say regarding how the platform evolves, making it more democratic and responsive to their needs. In simpler terms, it's a video platform where creators run the show, viewers get rewarded, and everyone has a say in how things work. It's like a fairer, more transparent, and community-powered video platform. Imagine a world where your favorite creators get paid directly for their work, without middlemen taking a cut. You can own your favorite videos and support creators directly. You have a say in how the video platforms you use are run. That's the vision Joystream is working towards. And now, let's introduce Gleaves, the main consumer-facing app of the Joystream platform. Gleaves is the name of the Joystream platform. It's like YouTube or Vimeo, but with a twist. It's decentralized and focuses on empowering creators and viewers alike. Here are some key things about Gleaves. 1. Creators can upload videos, build subscriber bases, and monetize their content. They can earn Joy tokens through views, subscriptions, and selling their videos as NFTs, non-fungible tokens. 2. Viewers can watch videos, support creators, and participate in the platform's governance. They can earn Joy tokens for watching ads, engaging with creators, and voting on platform decisions. 3. The Gleaves platform is community-driven, with Joy token holders having a say in its future. They can vote on features, reward structures, and overall direction of the platform. So, Gleaves is essentially the face of Joystream, where all the action happens. It's where creators connect with viewers, build communities, and make money from their content. Did you know? Joystream has raised a total estimate of $13 million over its current funding rounds at a $60 million valuation from over 30 investors, among them Digital Currency Group, Hypersphere, DeFi Alliance, and D1 Ventures. This show of confidence by investors demonstrates the potential and excitement surrounding the platform. Now, let's unpack the Joystream token, shall we? Imagine Joystream as a vibrant video playground, bursting with creativity and collaboration. Just like any playground needs energy, the platform has its own special fuel, the Joystream token. Imagine these tokens as special coins you earn and use on the Joystream playground. Here's how you earn them. 1. For creators, you get tokens when people watch your videos, subscribe to your channels, or buy your NFTs. It's like getting paid for your awesome videos. 2. For viewers, you earn tokens for watching ads, supporting creators, and even just being active on the platform. It's like getting rewarded for hanging out at the coolest playground ever. These tokens unlock exclusive features like higher video quality or early access to exciting new releases. 3. The voice of the community, these tokens also power the decision-making in the Joystream DAO, where every token holder gets to vote regarding improvements or changes on the platform. So, the Joystream token isn't just a digital currency, it's the lifeblood of the platform. The token incentivizes creators to produce amazing content, empowers viewers to be active participants, and fuels a community-driven decision-making process. Essentially, the token is what keeps the Joystream playground buzzing with excitement and innovation. Here's a little rhyme to summarize. Joystream tokens, oh so bright, fuel the platform, day and night. Creators earn, viewers too, building something fun and new. With every vote and every view, Joystream grows, for me and you. That's Joystream. We hope that we made it fun, simple and enjoyable for you to learn about it. We love simplifying crypto and its associated tech for you. Like and subscribe in order to watch more in the simplest crypto series.